Alert throughout Spain due to Hurricane Kirk, strong storm and waves of up to 7 meters in Galicia. The ex-Kirk storm will cause a strong storm on the Galician coast with very strong winds from the south and southwest, 8 or 9 on the Beaufort scale, and combined seas from the west with waves of up to 7 meters, according to the special warning for adverse phenomena issued by the State Meteorological Agency, Aemet. The agency warned that the ex-Kirk storm will produce a strong Atlantic storm on the Galician and Cantabrian coasts, very strong gusts of wind in a large part of the peninsula, even locally hurricane force, and widespread rainfall on the Atlantic and Cantabrian slopes. It will move rapidly eastward during the afternoon on Tuesday, when south-southwesterly winds are expected to begin to strengthen. The agency has warned that there will be periods of strong winds on the Galician coast and very strong gusts in Galicia, the Cantabrian mountain range, and the north of the Iberian system. The rainfall will spread across the northwestern third of the peninsula and is likely to be locally heavy and persistent in western Galicia. Between Tuesday afternoon and Wednesday, the center of the ex-Kirk storm will pass near the Galician coast and the Cantabrian Sea, so Aemet expects strong weather on the Galician Atlantic coasts from early hours on Wednesday. During the day, the storm will spread to the rest of the Cantabrian Sea, with westerly winds and combined seas of around 4 to 5 meters. In this regard, the state agency warned that there will even be a sudden change of wind to the northwest and an intensification of the wind in the eastern Cantabrian Sea that will give rise to a gale in the afternoon. Meanwhile, Aemet forecasts that rainfall will extend across a large part of the peninsula, but will be less likely in the eastern part of the peninsula and more intense and persistent in Galicia and the western central system. Even so, it is likely that the storm will continue until the last few hours in the eastern Cantabrian Sea, and there will be locally very strong gusts of wind from the west in the interior of the eastern third of the peninsula. In addition, the rainfall will lose intensity as it moves eastwards. In the late morning, it will only affect the northeastern quadrant in a more scattered manner, and, in general, with moderate intensity. However, the accumulated amounts of rain in the western part of Galicia could be significant, and will be added to those already fallen in previous episodes. So caution is recommended in the event of possible river flooding and landslides.